Hi, I'm Shomik. This is my first video. I am a student of software engineering in Lemko University, Malaysia. If this video really works on your Windows 10 PC, please like, comment and subscribe. Today I am going to show you how to make fast Wi-Fi internet connection on your Windows 10 PC. So for that, first you need to go Wi-Fi connection center here, and you need to press right click here and you will see open network and sharing center. So press on it. Here you can see access type connections, internet, Wi-Fi, Shomik. So I am using Wi-Fi whose name is Shomik. Whatever you are using access type connections, press on here in the blue here. Just press one click. Then you will see a box here in general setting Wi-Fi status. Here you need to go to properties. Just press one time. Then you will see Wi-Fi properties. These the items that the internet connection is using. So from them you need to find out internet protocol version 4, TCP/IP v4. Just press on it one time and you will see option came properties. You need to press when you press on properties. You will see internet protocol version 4, TCP/IP v4 properties. In general, you will see like this same. So remember, here in the first part you don't need to do anything. We have work in second part. Here you can see it's already chosen obtain DNS server address automatically. So we will use the second one. Press on here. Use the following DNS server addresses. You need to put the same IP address I will use. So I am putting that numbers. Here you can see in preferred DNS server. Here you need to put 208. The next one is 67. And the third one is 222. Fourth one is same 222. This for preferred DNS server, and the second one alternate DNS server. The first two will be same. So 208 67. Third and fourth one will be 220. And fourth one is same 220. So if you put any wrong numbers or any other numbers, that will not work. You need to put just same this 208.67.222.222, and the alternate DNS server you need to put 208.67.220.220. Then press OK, and this one close, this one also close, and this one also close. Work has done. So I'll check my browser. I'm using Chrome. Here you can see the internet connection is very fast. Okay, so thank you guys. If you are facing any problem related on this video, please give your feedback to me comment section. I'll try to solve. And if this video really works on your PC, then please like, comment and subscribe. And thank